Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy Plus, so let's check it out. Ipsy Plus is the middle bag of the Ipsy products. There's the original, which is $12, going to $13 I think. This one is $25, going to $28. You get 5 products in this one. You get to choose 3 of them from selections that they give you, and I printed out my selections so we can talk about them. And you build your own bag, basically, within their parameters. Also, they have add-ons. I think I have an add-on in here, and it's going up to $28. Let me know below what you guys think. Do you think 25 was fair? Are you okay with the 28? I think 5 full-size products, with the way everything else in the economy is going, is probably fair at $28. All right, when I take my goodies out of the pink bag, I have this adorable, how cute is that? I always say I like these drawstring bags. I think they are so much more usable than all of the cosmetics bags that we have. I love these for storing like lipsticks together or mascaras together that I want to try. I just think they're really useful, and this one's kind of cute. Definitely putting off some fall vibes. Okay. When we get in it, we're going to have paperwork somewhere. Let's dig for the paperwork. And it's not going to tell us much. In the Plus, we don't get our products on the inside. My guess is always that because we each customize, they can't run off a card for us in the time it would take to ship in a timely fashion. But I have printed out the information that we need. Yeah, that's the inside. And it just talks about chilly temps and cleanse, tone, add serum. It's the order of your skincare. Apply eye cream, moisturize, and protect with SPF 30. And September's theme is Work, School, Life, or Back to Work, School, Life. I have printed out information about each of the products that I got, and I have printed out pictures because I found it the easiest way to do it of the choices that I had. Somebody mentioned the other day, oh my goodness, I was definitely gonna remember who said it, that a scroll through of when I was making my choices would be kind of fun. So if that's something you have any interest in seeing, let me know below. The first thing I have out of the bag is the Makiage Color Boss Squad, and this was chosen for me, and it has a value of $36. So right away, that covers the cost of my bag if I like this. I always love the look of the Makiage. That is what my colors look like. They're very neutral, but very pretty. These two are mattes and these two are shimmers. Oh, they're so creamy. Even the mattes are incredibly creamy. We're gonna swatch these because they are very nice. That's what they look like on my hand. Does it give me a name? Yeah, Hold Up, Mood, Entourage, and Clap Back. I will absolutely be using those. They're neutral for sure, but they're really gorgeous. And they were creamy going on. If they apply that nicely to the eye, I love this formula. In taking it off, because I can see it better now, I did not realize that, but this one that looks like it's just a brown, I hope this comes across. When I took it off, you can see on the towel, it's kind of purple. This is it next to that. Makes me love it more. This is full-sized. Oof, already covered in fingerprints because I just did another video where I was playing with some oil, but it says that it is multi-dimensional and totally eye-catching. These matte, metallic, and holographic eyeshadows transition perfectly from day to night. The buttery smooth pigments last for hours and can be applied wet or dry depending on the level of color payoff you want. They absolutely go on buttery. Okay, so this is the first thing they picked for me, and I give it 2 thumbs up. The next item out of the bag that they picked for me is the Neogen Dermalogy A-Clear Foam Cleanser. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside because when I was printing it out, I was reading about it, and it says, this cleanser is packed with acne-fighting ingredients like salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and Centella asiatica extract to help target breakouts by removing excess oils, eliminating dirt and bacteria, and calming redness and irritation. So I can see where they would say it is for me, but it's also not for me. Anything that soothes redness and irritation, I'm all for. That said, I don't ever want to remove excess oils. If I can whip up an excess oil, I'd like to keep it, thank you very much, and I don't have acne, so I will just set that aside. That had a $19 value. Okay, now, the first product that I chose is the Pretty Woman nail polish set. It said something about fall, I think. Oh my gourd is what it was called. So that's why I chose it. And they are really pretty fall colors. They only have a $15 value, which is fine. I just really want to get things that I'll use, even if they are not the highest priced thing offered. But these are the 3 colors. They are so pretty. So we have Oh My Gourd, which was this kind of butternut squashy. I was gonna say mustard, but we'll go butternut squash. Put a cork in it, which I guess they think is cork colored, and sweeter than honey. It is kind of honey colored. These will be gorgeous for fall. I chose these because my other choices were a Beautology Refresh and Revitalize 2K Gold Collagen Eye Mask, and those are clean beauty and perfect for a lot of people, but right now I have a lot of eye masks, so I didn't need to add any more. A Juara Skincare Radiance Enzyme Scrub. So enzyme and scrub are two words that I don't necessarily reach for. The Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Marbleized Blush in Tropic. That was the only other thing that I really waffled back and forth between these and is I've had so many great blushes. I have a nice Patrick Ta that I love. I have an Hourglass that I'm loving. So I decided to go ahead and stick with the nail polish. The Feel Beauty Vitamin E Balm, which I have a couple of already, and the Coil Beauty Soak and Glow Face Cream. So that's kind of an idea of what I was offered. By the way, the paperwork on this says you'll use these ultra shiny beige, shimmer, dark honey, and burgundy nail polishes all autumn long. Plus they're tin free, which means they are made without questionable ingredients like phthalates and formaldehyde. Another reason I chose them. My next choice was this, and it is the Vegan Original Skin Essence Toner. It's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. It is full sized, and it is a $49.48 value. Yowza! I did not notice that when I printed it out. $49 for that. That's calm your complexion post-cleanse while prepping your skin for serums and moisturizers with this toner. It uses a blend of antioxidant-rich and skin-soothing ingredients like aloe vera juice, chamomile, and calendula. Well, I look everything up before I purchase them, so I should be able to use this. Let's see. Oh, it's very nice. It doesn't have much of a scent at all. I like that a lot. I mean, I do like essences. Toners tend to rashy me up, but essences tend to be more mild. And I do like that layer between cleansing and moisturizing where I feel like I'm just adding vitamins or something good for me. So I will absolutely try it, but wow. Basically, $50 for 100 ml, which is what, like 3.3 ounces, I think? I think that's usually where 100 ml is. My choices with this, by the way, I also have an add-on and I turned in some points. My choices with this one were 4. I could have gotten what I chose. My Best Face Forward Probiotic Blue Light Protection Cream. I mean, I do spend a lot of time on my iPad, but I just decided not with another moisturizer. The Kosas Sport Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Balm in Rush. I'm going to show you guys this. I'm going to slander this having never tried it. I tried this, but just in the clear regular balm, and I wasn't a fan. I wasn't a fan of the shape or the way it sat on my lips. Let me know below if you tried it. So I wasn't willing to risk that this was the same exact balm just with color in it. And my last choice was the Surmedic Plus Super Hyaluronic 100 Amino Acid Cleanser. And I just didn't feel like I needed another cleanser, and I do like Essence. I seem to roll through these more because I will just, $50 in this little bottle might slow me down a little bit, but probably not. And my last choice, my only makeup, is that true? No. No, I had eyeshadows. Calm down, Kathrin. This is the Misha Beauty Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm in Madam. When we take it out, that is what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty. It said sheer though. Let's go ahead and put it on over what I have on. Where could it go wrong, right? That would have to be, if I ever, and I probably won't, ever did merch, that would have to be on it. I've noticed I say that a lot lately. Well, I know you probably can't see the color, but it feels fantastic. That is very nice, very creamy, goes on light. It feels kind of like another brand that I found through them is the Context. This puts me in the same vibes as those Context lippies. This feels really nice. It says that it is full-sized, $22 value. This versatile balm coats lips in sheer and shiny mauve while helping to provide long-lasting moisture, softness, and comfort. I agree, and it is vegan and cruelty-free. And my choices in the third selection, I had 4. It was this lip or a Context Skin matte. And I just decided going into winter, I didn't think I wanted a matte because everything I have tends to dry down anyway, so I lean more towards the juicier ones. I could have, can you believe it? I could have had a brush and I said no. What? I know. I feel very proud of myself for learning to say no to brushes. Don't hold that against me next month when I'm pulling a bag of brushes out. And Shades by Shan bronzer. We've received a lot of bronzers lately, and actually I got in, I will let you know here whose it is. It's the one that I have been using, and I did not anticipate loving it. I think it might have come in like my Rose War PANTYPOWER. I'll let you know here what box it came in and what the bronzer is, because it had just a little bit of shimmer to it, and I thought, no way am I using a bronzer with shimmer. I love the color on me and the little bit of light that, I'm loving it. Okay. With my points, I added this Foxy Bay 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. I have it. I'm about halfway through it, and I like it a lot. Almost every time when I wash my hair, I pull a leave-in through it, because down here my hair has become so incredibly fragile. Now lately I have gotten in other boxes one that smells incredibly summery that I have been trying to use and get all of the summer out of it that I can, but I'm probably going to set it aside soon. And I also got a Briogeo Farewell Frizz, so this will probably go back shelf until I play with some of the other new things I got. But I know as a fallback, my hair loves this. It smells great. It's just a nice light cream. I can use about a nickel's amount worth, rub my hands together, pull it through my ends. I have super fine, thin hair. It doesn't make it limp. Well, I mean, it doesn't make it more limp than it already is. I really enjoy this product, and when I saw it was available for points, I was like, thank you. Also, if you don't know about points, when you have Ipsy, if you do your reviews, you get like 15 points for each item you review. You would be surprised how quickly that adds up. I'm not an affiliate or anything with them, but when I say if you would like to go over and check it out, I will put my link below. When people sign up through you, you get like 600 points, I think, and that gets you like a single eyeshadow, and you can save up a bunch and get a nice hair cream. Anyway, one more thing I added that I paid for in add-ons. Ooh, I will try and let you know here what I paid. I think like $9 or $12. Oh, I'm opening it. We haven't even talked about it. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. Once I ordered it, I said to myself, are you sure you don't have that? And myself said, too late now. Don't look. So this is the, oh, looking very familiar. I think I might have this. I'm not going to get too deep into this. It's just a translucent powder. Well, anybody I would give this to won't mind if I show you. But it has a little powder puff. You pull that off. You can just, it's just a nice, and it has a mirror. It's just a nice translucent powder, and I wanted to try the Shape Tape one. But yeah, I feel like I've seen this before. Maybe it was a highlight or something. I'll have to go looking for it, but it seemed like it was a really good deal. It's a $34, like you could go today to Ulta and buy it. It's a $34 value. And again, hopefully I've let you know what I paid for it. And it says that it is flashback free, and it helps diffuse light to boost radiance while setting your makeup for all day wear. Amazonian clay helps blur lines and large pores, mattify skin, and lock your foundation and concealer in for hours. That all sounds fantastic. That is my Ipsy Plus, my add-on, and my points. So my add-on was my Tarte setting powder, and then with my points I got the Foxy Bay, and then in my bag they chose for me the Neogen cleanser and the Makiage quad, and then I chose the 3 fall nail polishes that are good for you. This very nice feeling lippy. Oh, I couldn't find it. I knew there was a third thing. And this vegan essence, which hopefully just, well, essences me up. That's probably not exactly what they claim to do. Thanks for coming by, guys. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I am so glad you decided to spend part of it with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Let me know below. What do you think? Were you happy with yours?